Okay, so, hey guys, today we're gonna be filming a mukbang. Mukbang?
MUKBANG.
Mukbanging? Oh, I need to keep my head in front of the sun so that we don't turn into shadows. Wow, this quality is just so good. Anyways, you explain your lunch first.
Okay, we got
It's a lot.
Cheetos, cookies,
Oh god!
sandwich, and juice.
And I have nachos. Wait, mukbangs are supposed to be uncut, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, this is gonna be uncut. Nachos and a Slurpee. That's already halfway gone. So let's get started, ladies. Trisha Paytas is shaking.
She's quaking.
Okay. I made these nachos
Actually, 7-Eleven did, but okay.
for a real one.
Okay, let's take the first bite.
Okay, first bite and then I'll explain. Yes! Oh my god, that's so good. So, there's a lot of chips piled up. Ooh, she has a pick. So I took half the chips off. Sure. Thank you. Put the cheese on it and then put the other half of the chips on and put the cheese on it. Oh, sis. So good. Let's talk about finals week, shall we? Finals week recap.
Recap of the week. Even though it's been like over a fucking month, but it's fine. Recap
yeah.
over the whole month.
Wait, let's talk about the posting schedule first. So we haven't posted in like a month because filming is a lot. Okay. And yeah, filming's just kind of, it's not hard, but like,
It's the editing, and then you have homework, and then it's just like,
yeah, we had a lot of homework, sis. But we're gonna pre-film like 3 videos today, so you'll have videos over
3 weeks.
Break. I don't know if I can fit this whole thing in my mouth. If I can't,
Try
it's gonna
it.
look really dumb.
Try. Just try it. Starts joking. I can't breathe. So the video cut out because it couldn't take our laughing.
That was some funny-ish. So first of all, I peed a little bit.
Oh.
Second of all,
Is that dog shit? No, that's a leaf.
Where? Okay.
That's a leaf.
Second of all, I think we learned that I can't fit a whole one in my mouth. Oh, Christ. So anyways, finals week recap. Would you like to start or would you like me to start? I think I had a worse... I feel like I always have a worse time than you, so how about you go first?
We started...
Starting with Monday.
Monday?
Mm-hmm.
I finished my street law study guide.
Oh my god, look how low the camera went.
I finished my street law study, like how to say it, study, oh my god.
Study guide?
Yes, that. And then I finished the one in science in seminar on Tuesday, the day of the first week of finals. My finals test, the first week, it was
First day of finals?
Yeah, whatever shit. Was pretty good. Pretty good. It was okay. Yeah, how about you?
So Monday, technically finals didn't start till Tuesday. Monday we had just a normal schedule. Sorry, I'm still recovering.
What is this? How much light in the back of her neck?
I have no idea what you just said. Anyways, Monday I had like the first half of a final in English, which I
like aced.
And then Tuesday was both of ours because we have the same first 2 classes. Was earth science and street law. I did okay on this earth science one, like not the best. And street law, I freaking aced. I got a B.
Say, I got it. I think
I think aced means you got an A, huh? Never mind. I got a B.
Watch us have a bad tan line on the back of my neck from the sun.
And then Wednesday, so yesterday, I had, what did I have yesterday? Because then it goes third, fourth. So I had,
It looks like a halo behind you.
oh, humdinger. Anyways, that's an inside joke.
Halo! Halo!
See ya, halo, halo, halo. Anyways, sorry, I just had to flex on y'all. Just kidding. So Wednesday I had choir, which I got 100% on for finals. Obviously.
What'd you do in that class?
My grade in choir?
No, like, what'd you do?
Oh, you could either have a trio or a group of 6 that sang either the Coventry Carol or Angels We Have Heard on High, just the first verse and the chorus, in all 3 parts. Anyways, sorry, I have a phlegmy throat. And then I had Spanish after that, which I got a C on that. It was really close to a B. And then today, we didn't have a final in band, and then I had a final in math, which I don't know my grade on yet because we just took it, but I think I did good. Woo! That was a good one.
What was that? Go on.
I see, it's weird seeing Ricky, like, not being crazy.
Who's Ricky?
That super tall one.
But they're all sitting down, I can't fucking tell.
In the blue jacket closest to the window.
Let's spill the tea.
These are cold already, but that's fine.
Let's spill tea. There's no tea.
Yeah, I haven't been in any drama this year, which was cool.
Yeah.
You almost started some yesterday.
But I didn't. It's fucking boring. Where's the entertainment?
So this girl, let's call her, what should her
Bethany.
name be? Bethany. Even last year, he didn't go to school with me last year, but she would always like be on crutches, and like, I bet maybe 3 out of 4 of those times were like for reals, like she needed the crutches. And this year she's been on crutches for like a month, maybe 3 weeks, I don't know. Honestly, it might have been like 3 days, I don't know. I'm not good at time.
That was like 3 weeks.
Yeah, it's probably 3 weeks. And, hi policeman. You're on your phone, cool. Oh! Where'd it go? We're fine. We're fine! So she's been on crutches for like way too long. Walks like, she'll take the elevator up the stairs but walk down the stairs. Or she'll walk up the stairs with her crutches. And she's just like, I guess she's a good person. Like, I don't really know her character that well. But just like from what I've seen and how she's like treated people around me, I feel like she's low-key kind of rude. And she puts on like an act at school, you know? Says the N-word a lot. Whitest person I know. But, you once texted her saying, are you the girl that uses crutches for attention, or like uses fake crutches or something?
I said, are you the girl that just used the fake crutches?
Yeah, and he sent me a screenshot before he sent it. I was like, sis, don't send that. She did nothing to you. And he didn't, so that was cool. I'm gross.
What else is we talking about?
I got on my nose.
Oh, let's talk about our Christmas wish list.
What about my flower list?
No.
I know.
Her flower list consists of a bunch of flowers
Mm-hmm.
that she wants to smell in her life. Oh, I still have my sandwich?
This cheese is very salty. Anywho, you talk about your Christmas list first. Ew. It's only been 6 minutes. Wow, this video is going kind of well, even though I still have a lot of food left.
Well, I already got one of the things that were on my Christmas list was the white iPhone silicone case, and then hopefully an iPad, but I doubt that.
Is that why? Yeah, why have you been putting an iPad on your streak so much?
Because of that reason. Just to finesse. Can you be any fucking louder? That lady looks like a crackhead.
Me?
No, that lady over there.
For sure.
Again.
Wait, turn it a little more this way. Put your trunk in front of it to keep it up.
Oh shit.
Oh shoe.
There.
Correction. Thank you. There's a squirrel way up there in the tree.
Where?
And the noise scared me. Look at the tippy top. He might have left by now.
Oh, I see it.
He might have jumped to his death.
It's right there.
Christmas list consists of gross. Of a lot of things. Oh, look, 2 of them. What a treat.
Can you fit them in your mouth?
I wanted sweatshirts and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
That guy's creepy.
Mm-hmm.
I'm staring at us.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no.
Mm-hmm.
If I check my little bitch, I'm still gonna eat it. You should slow-mo that and zoom in on. Anywho. Jaywalker is very weird. Anyhow. Yeah, I had like solid color sweatshirts, ASL sign language merch. Eek. Ariana Grande tickets, but we all know I'm not getting those, so.
I thought you said you were.
I thought I was, because Jade was like, they're on sale, they're like $60. I was like, oh shoot. And so I asked my mom, and she was like, I'll talk it over with your dad. And I was like, that never happened, sis. Okay.
And then?
Maybe I'm going on for Christmas. Probably not, though. If I am, I'm going to cry. And then I also asked for an iPhone, but like, there's no point in asking for expensive stuff because like I feel rude when I ask for expensive stuff, even to my parents.
Mm-hmm.
So I asked for an iPhone 6 or 7. Which I'm definitely not getting. But I'm grateful either way. There's a bunch of presents under the tree anyway, so. This is super cold now.
That one?
Ow! No! A piece of chip is going down my throat and it like horizontally.
These mother truckers are cold. Hong Kong.
Okay. Are you trying to move on so far? Leave a comment down below.
They're like, we hate it.
Chris Potatoes is shaking. Chris Potatoes comment, I'm perfectly still.
I should be like, I'm shaking because Jason isn't all about my biz.
Your phone makes me look so good. That light blocking my face makes me look so good. It's kind of spicy. Oh, fuck. Frick. Whoopsies.
Oh, how'd you guys enjoy the lot in order video?
Oh, yeah, you posted that, huh? Pretty funny. I thought I had to burp, but I don't. Ooh!
I don't know what else there is to talk about.
Is that new?
What?
Highbrow Tap House?
Highbrow Tap House?
Ew, I hate doing that. I don't know how you do that to me all the time.
What else is there to talk about?
be that boring because I watched Trisha Paytas's 7-Eleven mukbang video, and she didn't talk the whole time, and I watched the whole thing. I just watched her eat.
Whenever I watch mukbangs of people eating, I feel like I had to get food and join them.
That's fun. I think I may have just like shot a boogie woogie into my nachos.
Just gonna zoom in.
Guess we'll find out later.
Oh, here's our video ideas. The next one we're gonna do is Ellie reacting to my TikToks.
Yeah, we don't know which one will be posted first, but probably this one because it needs the least amount of editing.
Yeah.
Wait, do you know how to... Oh, screen recording. So you just, like, record the screen
Yeah.
put in, and then put me reacting to it after? Because you don't know how to put it in that same time.
Yeah.
Okay. We're amateur YouTubers, it's fine. My eyebrows look so good.
That's why we search on YouTube how to do that.
Did you see that piece of chip come out of your mouth?
Oh, yeah. Oh, thank God we're at a freaking science. Woo! That teacher is like... Just,
We still have him next semester.
You do?
Wait, you don't?
No.
I'm gonna be in it by myself.
Wait, I'll check right now. I'm gonna kill myself if I do. No, I won't. Stay positive.
I kinda don't want a new one though. Even though I hate Mr. Tree. We'll call him Mr. Tree. Even though I hate Mr. Tree, I don't really want to have to like meet a whole new teacher, meet a whole new class. Even though I probably will have to meet a whole new class. Find the room. He's fine as long as you behave, and with you not in it, I'll behave. Should we spill the tea on Mr. Tree? Should I tell my story about him seminar first?
Go.
And then we can tell the story about when he moved you. Okay. So.
Mr. Tree pisses us off.
We have some true hatred for this man. I have a little bit left. I'm trying to be like Trisha
Well, I
Paytas.
finished. Turn off your car, bitch.
They're on the road. They're not going to turn off their car. Oh. We'll just scoot forward.
Okay, so tea on Mr. Tree.
The straw fell in. So. So on Tuesday.
We're only gonna give you a sip, not the full cup.
So at school, we have this class called seminar, and it's basically just an hour and a half
It's
long.
basically like a study hall.
Yeah, an hour and a half long study hall. And in that class, we're allowed to be on our phones.
Purple. No.
Okay. And school starts at 8. It was 8:02. Approximately. I didn't look at the
Hey,
time.
this one's a wet one.
But the... Go ahead, eat it. It's fine. The bell had just rung like a little bit ago. And I'm Mr. Tree for seminar. So I'm still scrolling through my Instagram a little bit. I'm like, oh, the bell just rang. I'll just like scroll through a little longer. It's fine. Before I start studying again.
At 8:15.
Probably like earlier than that, like 8:05, 8:10. Anyways. So I was on my phone. And by the way, backstory. The night before, I studied for 2 hours. And then the week before, I studied a little bit like every night. So he was walking by and he's like, "You got it, Ellie?" I was like, "Yeah." And he's like, 85% or better? And he was talking about the final. And I was like, "Yeah, probably. I hope so." And he was all like, "Studying really works, you know." I was like,
No
okay,
shit.
first of all, the last science class that we had with him, he told a story about like studying, and he was like, "I never really had to study in high
That
school.
was good enough.
I was good enough."
I didn't really need help on anything.
He was like flexing on us. I was like, "Okay,
Like
whatever."
he flexed with us with his arthritis.
Like he flexed with arthritis. That's what you sounded like. Oh yeah, you can tell the arthritis story later about how he brags about getting his shoulder replaced. Anyway, where was I? Oh, and I was like, I know I studied all last week and for 2 hours last night. And he was like, really? That's surprising. I was like, what is that I studied? And he was like, yeah. And I was just like, thanks.
I thought you said that I studied or that I.
That save. Yeah, and I just said thanks after, like in a sarcastic way, to know that he was being
A dick.
yes, that. Ugh, I'm just so over it. And then I went in, I was like, damn, I'm gonna ace this test because I thought I was gonna do good. I got 100% on the study guide, yet got a 68%.
No, you got a 71.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh, never mind. I got a C, not a D.
It was like a 71 or 72.
Oh, then I got a C, not a D. Anyhow.
She got the cat instead of the dog.
Oh god.
Okay, arthritis story.
That was the worst burp I've ever heard.
Okay.
Start where he was getting the phone calls
Okay.
prior.
So before
For
like
his MRI.
before before he even had the surgery.
Yeah.
Okay, so before he even had the surgery, he would get random phone calls. Like whenever a student would get a phone call, he'd be like, "Take it outside," and they would. So whenever his phone rang, it would be the opposite. He would stay in the room and then talk really loud for the whole class.
Like louder than his teaching voice, and his teaching voice is already yelling.
And then.
Continue.
And then he hangs up the phone. He's like, "Oh yeah, that was my insurance company. Apparently, I don't need meds or something."
Or no, that was after he got the surgery. Before every time he'd be like, "Sorry, I've been expecting that call for a while. I'm getting an MRI."
About on my shoulder replacement.
He's like, "Yeah, I gotta get my shoulder replaced." And then he would always do this. He'd be like, "Yeah, I gotta get my shoulder replaced."
And then, okay. And then once he got the surgery, he got another phone call from his insurance company, which we don't care about. And he would be like, "Oh yeah, that was my insurance company. Apparently they don't think I need pain Medicaid."
Medication?
Yeah, medication.
Medicaid? Isn't that an insurance?
Yeah. And we were like...
Then he would like low-key flex on us that he had insurance at all.
And then he would show us pictures of his surgery.
Oh yeah, he made a PowerPoint presentation.
That look already from Madre and me. Okay, anyway.
Okay. He gave us a PowerPoint presentation.
About his surgery!
Yeah, and then it didn't have anything to do with the grade. And it wasted class.
Yeah. Oh, hell no. Oh.
Anyways, go ahead.
Mr. Postman.
Oh god, here come the boys.
Oh shit. Just ignore. Well, you almost done there?
Oh, that's Jade's friend. Yeah, I'm almost done. We can end it if you want. I haven't even made my cookie yet, but whatever, it's fine.
Well, let's film. We're gonna start filming our second video.
Yeah, we're gonna be in the same location, or no, I need Wi-Fi to download Musical.ly. So we need to go back to school.
No, we're recording on your phone, remember?
I don't have space on my phone. Love how they're just saying the F word over and over.
We'll just screen record it. They can hear our voices. And then we'll like record ourselves after, like your thoughts and stuff.
No, that's not fun.
Well, bye.